Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's super exciting and empowering. If you're a women plus housewife and looking to earn some extra income from the comfort of your home, this video is for you. We're exploring unique and effective side hustle ideas that you can start right away. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. This is a fantastic option for anyone who is organized, good at multitasking, and enjoys administrative work. Virtual assistants help businesses and entrepreneurs with a wide range of tasks, all from the comfort of their own homes. So, what exactly does a virtual assistant do? Here are some common tasks you might handle as a VA. Email management, organizing and responding to emails. Scheduling, setting up appointments and managing calendars. Social media management, posting updates, engaging with followers, and tracking analytics. Customer service, answering inquiries and providing support. Data entry, inputting and organizing information. These tasks can vary depending on your client's needs, which keeps the work interesting and dynamic. Fitness coaching or personal training. Are you passionate about fitness and enjoy helping others achieve their health goals? Fitness coaching or personal training could be an excellent side hustle for you. It's a rewarding way to make a positive impact on people's lives while staying active yourself. So, what does fitness coaching or personal training involve? Here's how you can get started. Personal training, providing one-on-one or small group fitness sessions to clients. This can include strength training, cardio workouts, flexibility exercises, and more. Fitness coaching, offering personalized fitness plans, nutritional guidance, and ongoing support to help clients reach their fitness goals. Both roles require motivation, empathy, and a commitment to helping others lead healthier lifestyles. Childcare services. If you enjoy being around children, offering childcare services could be a great fit. You can provide babysitting or run a small in-home daycare. This is particularly appealing to local parents who need trustworthy childcare. Make sure to get the necessary certifications and check your local regulations regarding in-home daycare services. Building trust with parents is key, so consider offering trial sessions or references from previous clients. So, what does childcare services involve? Here are the main services you can offer. Babysitting, providing occasional care for children while their parents are out for a few hours or for special occasions. Daycare, offering regular childcare services during weekdays for working parents. This could be done from your own home if you have the space and meet local regulations. Nanny services, providing more personalized and long-term care for children in their own homes, often on a full-time or part-time basis. These services cater to different needs and schedules, allowing you to choose what works best for you. Meal prep and catering. Love cooking? Consider starting a meal prep and catering business. Busy families and professionals often look for healthy, home-cooked meals without the hassle of cooking. You can offer weekly meal prep services or small-scale catering for events. Social media and local community groups are great places to advertise your services. Just be sure to check your local regulations regarding food businesses. So, what does a meal prep and catering business involve? Here are the two main services you can offer. Meal prep services, preparing and packaging meals for clients to eat throughout the week. This is great for busy professionals, families, or anyone looking for convenient, healthy meals. Catering services, providing food for events like parties, weddings, corporate events, and more. This can range from small gatherings to large-scale events. Both options allow you to share your skills and provide a valuable service to your community. Pet sitting and dog walking. So, what does pet sitting and dog walking involve? Here are the main services you can offer. Pet sitting, taking care of pets while their owners are away. This can include feeding, playing, grooming, and providing companionship. Dog walk, taking dogs for regular walks to ensure they get exercise and fresh air. This can be a daily service or is needed by the pet owner. Both services provide valuable assistance to pet owners who are busy, traveling, or otherwise unable to care for their pets during the day.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.